Sanibonani mphakathi, sanibonani izwe lonke. Sinomkhulu wethu kokhovula isangoma. Konke kuhlala kungemfundiswano zendaba zakomoya. Namhlanje ngiyengathanda nje ukuthi ngiphakamise enye itopic enzima kakhulu empilweni zabantu kumhlaba nje wonke jikelele. Abantu siyakholelwa entweni eziningi. Sihlukile senza izinto eziningi singabantu, abanye singamaKristu, abanye bayizangoma, ngamaHindu, ngamaMuslim. Kodwa zonke lezi inkolo zibhekiswe kuNkulunkulu oyedwa, umvelinqangi uNkulunkulu wethu. Kulonyaka odlulile ngake ngamemezela into esibiza nge-spiritual gathering, okuyikuhlangana kwabantu ngenhlonso yendaba zakomoya ngokukamoya sihlanganele. Sakwenza lokho Witbank. Abafika abantu, ngiyanibonga nonke enafika nabayingxenye nabanathi kuyo leyo inhlangano leyo ye spiritual gathering. Igama lokuhlangana kwethu njengabantu abahlangane ngokukamoya sithi the empire kokhovula, ongathi kokhovula the empire. So with the empire siyamazi umvelinqangi, we recognize God as God the Almighty, as the creator. With the empire kokhovula, we do recognize the church. We do recognize ubungoma and all African spirituality and traditionalism. With the empire, we believe in teaching one another, that is making people know things that they have lost in them, the ways of lives of our primitives. With the empire, we pray strictly and only for powers, spiritual powers to change things, spiritual powers to have control over things, spiritual powers to win over bad spirits and dark forces and dark entities that have troubled this world. With the empire, we pray for good health, saying and believing in that as long as we are healthy, as long as our lives are going well, as long as we can capacitate planning together, we will achieve all the goals that we have set forth because we are healthy. And finally, we pray to be the haves. We pray for wealth. We pray to be better. We pray not to be made to suffer. And for togetherness. Going further, explaining our spiritual gathering, which is called the Empire Kokhovula. Our aim of coming up together is to create events and make our lives to be eventful. As in which way? I will make an example of